Welcome back to our channel, guys. Today I will be unboxing the solar fan. So we have here a 16-inch solar fan. It is in the color of black. Black is what we currently stock. This fan was improved on in terms of its features and its battery capability. I will talk about that later on in the video. So this fan has 3 speed levels. So you have speed 1, 2 and 3, and it also have a LED light. Comes with a USB port right here so that you can charge your cell phone and other USB device. Bear in mind, if you're going to charge your cell phone from the fan, it will run the battery faster. So on speed 1, you can get up to 15 hours, which include 3 hours of reserve power time. And speed 2 can give you up to 12 hours, and speed 3 can give you up to 10 hours. Also, if you are running the LED light while you are powering the fan, it will reduce the number of hours that you will receive, because it's one battery power supply that is in the fan that will be servicing the LED light, the speed of the fan, and also the USB port. So for the interest of time, I will not show you the battery, but it's actually 18,000 mAh battery. This is an upgraded battery size to the previous fans that we stocked. The fan also comes with a solar panel. So this is a 25-watt solar panel. And it also comes with a charger, a DC charger that allows you to use electricity to recharge the fan. So the fan can be recharged 2 ways. You can use the electricity to recharge the fan, or you can use the solar panel. So you would plug the DC cable at the back of the fan. This is where you get the power supply, and you plug this into the wall, electric supply, and the battery here will be recharged. Or you can plug it from the solar panel. Bear in mind, the solar panel must be in the sun in order for the electricity to be generated to recharge the battery. So the cord of the cable of the solar panel is actually 30 feet, so it's very long. So the fan can be inside and the panel will be on the outside to recharge the fan. It also comes with a bracket for the solar panel. So this is the bracket. So you can always install the bracket against a wall, tree, or metal, just about wherever convenient for you. I will also show you the other things that comes with this solar fan. So we have the blades and the cover, the solar fan, and we have the footrest for the solar fan and the solar manual with the instruction as to how to use the solar fan. Now I know you want to know how does this fan work, so I will take you over to a different section just to show you a demonstration of how the fan works. Okay, before the demonstration, just want to mention that it takes 5 hours for the fan to be recharged using electricity, and up to 8 hours to be recharged if you are using the solar panel. So let's do some speed testing. This is speed 1. On speed 1 you can get up to 15 hours. Speed 2 is going a bit faster. Speed 3 is the powerful speed. And you can also turn on the light while it is being in operation. And if you notice, the solar fan is currently plugged into the electricity. So you can use it while it's plugged into electricity, or you don't have to use it while you're charging it, because the battery is being recharged just like your cell phone. You plug in your cell phone to charge, and when it's finished, while it's charging, you can use it, and if it's finished charge, you can still move about with it. It's the same thing with a solar fan. So let us unplug it from the wall and see what happens. Right, the fan will operate same way because it is powered by the battery. So the battery inside are being charged and the fan will operate. Okay, so let's take a look at the USB of the fan. It is currently recharging this bulb. So if you look closely, you will see a red light in it, which indicates that the light is actually charging. You can also use it while it is charging other things. I'm going to plug in a cell phone for you to see the charging taking place. Okay, my cell phone is already recharged, so I'm just going to recharge my earbuds. So if you look closely, you will see the light flashing. That means it is being charged. So the power is coming from the battery of the fan. I'm going to try and plug in back the fan and the electricity to see if the earbuds will be charging at the same time while the fan is being charged. So let us try that. So the fan is plugged in. When it's being charged, the color red will come up in the charger. Also, if you're using a solar panel to charge the fan, you will not know when it's finished charging because there is no indication from the solar panel. But if you take it back in and you plug it into electricity, you will see a green light once the fan is fully charged. Okay, so our testing show that while the fan is being charged, the USB would also be actively charging other things like your cell phone or your earbuds, just about anything with USB. So whether or not the fan is plugged in, you can charge things from it. The power supply at the back of the fan, this is where you get the energy from. So you plug it in to recharge. Thank you for watching this video. If you need to see more demonstration video of other items that we sell, solar fan, the bulbs, the floodlights, you can always check out our channel. If you need to see other videos of other things that this fan can do, please visit our channel page or contact us in the detail that is provided in the description. Please subscribe to our channel or share this video with other persons. Thank you.